Welcome to the second part of our lesson on model poses. In the first part of our lesson, you should have learned just how big a part of your modeling career posing is. You should also realize that it's one of the rare things in modeling during a shoot that you have control over. Posing is all on you to get right, and that is both a very freeing thing for a model and a whole lot of pressure. To handle it, you need to develop your posing style. So, what do we mean by your posing style? It's like anything else. It's like your hair or your makeup or your clothes. It's the style you choose to show the world. Only with posing, you're not relying on anything else but yourself. Your posing style should be an expression of who you are as a person. More than that, it should express all the things you want to be. Remember, when you're modeling, you stop being an ordinary person. When you model, you're a bigger-than-life character. You're a god or a goddess. Decide who that character is and show people that in your posing style. Finding the style of your pose as a model starts with studying the styles of other models. And who are the models you should study? Always learn from the best. That's why you're listening to me, right? But seriously, watch and learn from the greats of modeling. Study the old school first. They have a lot to teach you. Start by looking at how the greats of the past did it. Models like Cindy Crawford and Stephanie Seymour. They originated a lot of the poses you see today, no matter how they might have changed. So study the originals. Ask yourself why they worked. Ask yourself why they inspired so many people. After you've gone back and watched the godmothers of modeling do their thing, study this generation's models. Rising stars like Jessica Stam, Natasha, Lara Stone, and Sean Opry. See where they've taken model poses. Take what you see and use it to create new poses for yourself. Don't just copy what the famous models did or do, because if you're just copying someone, then it isn't your posing style, is it? Another good idea is to study not particular models, but the popular poses of right now. The way to do that is to look at models in magazines and on websites who aren't famous. Give particular attention to the really popular fashion magazines. They decide what cool poses are to begin with. If you're a girl doing pose research, check out magazines like Vogue, Harper's Bazaar, Teen Vogue, 17 Magazine, and Cosmo Girl. You guys studying poses should read Esquire magazine, GQ, Details, and Nylon Men. That's the end of part 2 of our lesson on model poses. Now you know what your pose style is, or at least you know what pose style is. The whole point is that no one can tell you or teach you that style. It's yours. You have to find it for yourself. Now, in part 3, what I do is show you some fun practice exercises you can do.